Ever wondered why we sneeze? It all starts when something tiny, like dust, pollen, or even pepper, sneaks into your nose. Your body's like, uh-oh, we've got an intruder. So it sends a warning signal to your brain. And your brain hits the big red button. Achoo! Sneezing is your body's superhero move, blasting out germs and unwanted stuff at speeds over 160 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a cheetah. Next time you sneeze, just remember, it's not just a bless you. It's your nose saving the day. What you see. Hit like, subscribe to Super Science, and stay tuned for more amazing science content.